Welcome back to the channel, guys. Got a little bit of a different video today. Bought an older BMW last week, and front bumper looks like someone tried to like yank it off, chew it off, something or other. I don't know, but needs a new bumper. So it's not a real expensive car, so I didn't want to spend too much money on a front bumper. Been a couple years, but a couple years ago I ordered a painted front bumper via eBay. Worked out pretty well and saved us probably $100, $200 versus buying a bare new bumper and having it painted locally. Paint match was decent, but your mileage may vary. So, hopped back on the old eBay again and went to order another bumper. And lo and behold, I came across this one from, I believe it's MBI Auto. And it was $180 shipped and painted. And here's a little bit of the listing. I'll pop it up. But this listing is for an economy painted part. Now we're talking. This bumper is folded. Maybe we aren't talking. This bumper is folded for the most economical shipping possible. And the folding can cause minor imperfections. I'm fine with minor on this car, but folding a painted part seems interesting. But they say this is exactly what you get with anyone else selling painted parts, so I mean, if they're saying it, it must be true. But they also, in the ad, show that they sell a premium version. So I'm like, oh, sometimes I'll upgrade to premium. I'm worth it. I don't know. But so I clicked on that. Same bumper in the premium version, $397. I'm not that premium. This car's not that premium. So we went ahead, ordered the economy version, and that showed up today. And here it is. Packaging, not too bad. Until I looked at it like this angle. Right there. I mean, I was expecting folded to be like folded like this. Not 180 on itself. They have a bunch of good reviews and people say there's no damage and whatnot, but if they can get away with no damage on that, I'm impressed. So, we're gonna open this puppy up. All right, so we got all this stretch wrap. Start whittling away. We'll try not to put an imperfection in with the utility knife. Slide her out. Oh, it's got a little explanation as to why we fold it in there. I would say it's definitely folded. Don't have a whole lot of faith in that not being a little messed up. It's almost like comical that this works out for some people. Oh. See, she springs right back to shape. No issue. There we go. Hopefully that goes back to shape. But she's got enough little like baby powder on her. Or is that how we smuggle some stuff? All right, let me get that wiped off. Using the good old Griot's Garage Speed Shine. Can't beat it. We got a good old clear run there. That must be one of the 2 coats of clear that they put on. Just real thick. Nice little string. Kind of awkward to work with being it's so folded. It's kind of like one of the mattresses, except it doesn't come out. Shockingly, the paint's not cracked or anything. On either side. And the color looks to be relatively correct. And so far, other than the fact that it's folded into a taco, and this good old clear run there, well, razor blade that and wet sand that off, I guess. Get her back into shape, bolt her on the car. We're working with something there. There it is. Still pretty folded. We'll leave it in the heat. So hopefully we can get it on the car without making it crack or anything, but it's actually pretty flexible. I'm gonna say I'm on the good side of amazed on this one. Who would have thought? 180 bucks shipped. Bumper painted. Looks to be correct color, even for a BMW. All right, so there you have it. We give her the thumbs up. Way better than spending $397 on a premium one. So we're good to go. I'll let you know if it fails when I put it on. Otherwise, I probably won't update it again. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and cheap bumpers on eBay. Who would have thunk? So we got her in the good old bumper shaping fixture. So hopefully that helps with getting it on the car a little easier. The only issue I think will come up is that section of the corner is kind of flared up, but it does tuck under the headlight, so maybe the headlight will push it down. I imagine it's not going to look perfect, but what do you do? Welcome back to the channels, guys. And I fucked that up.